MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumshi benta ban aiman si mi ki Samla jong kejelang ki batrang ban Ïakhun ya ke exam UPSC na kejela Menteri Rangba kejela Conrad Kyrshan ulaong baudei Menteri Rangba kejela ban Nyngkong tam ubala kloi ban aiman si mi ki Samla ki ba Ïakhun ya ke exam UPSC da kilan jingerap ke sarkar lingba ka CM Inspire scheme kani ke jingpen benau Conrad Kyrshan kum Menteri Rangba kejela ban yarap kerpang ya kitu ki Samla ba Ïakhun ki exam UPSC kalong ru ban pensilur ki Samla bat khamtam baladuna bah ki Samla na kejela ki bapas ya ka IAS nadu senam arhajar khatlai ko ki Samla ba ye kejela Meghalaya kani ke jingwan ra ya ka CM Inspire scheme kadai ke jing Kyrshan ka sarkar ya ke jing posniu ni ki jing angnut ki Samla ki ba Ïakhun ya ka civil service batlayo iru ba ki Samla turai jela na Meghalaya kiladuna bahaban pas ya ka IAS badai namar kani ka daw ka sarkar ka shim ya ka sien jam banwan ra lingba kani ka CM Inspire ban aimin CM barban Kyrshan ki Samla ka jela ban Ïakhun ya ka civil service ong Conrad Kyrshan Menteri Rangba ka jela ka jing aimin CM ki tu ki Samla puli ki ba Ïakhun ya ki civil service examination khamtam ban pas IAS kadai ke jing penbenau Menteri Rangba bakitu ki bapas ya ka preliminary examination kinyo jingarap sanpho hajar na ka sarkar barkitu ki balapas pat ka main examination kinyo pediang shilak tingka na ka CM Inspire scheme.
My dear young aspirants of Meghalaya, today marks an important step in supporting the dreams of our youth. For many years, our representation in the civil services has declined, and Meghalaya has not seen an indigenous candidate enter the IAS since 2013. Today, we take a decisive step to change that with the launch of CM Inspire. Through this scheme, candidates who clear the prelims will receive 50,000 rupees and those who clear the mains will receive 1 lakh rupees, helping reduce the financial burden of preparation. This initiative is designed to empower meritorious candidates and encourage our youth to aim higher and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I encourage all eligible aspirants to apply through the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute portal when applications open. To our young aspirants, believe in yourself. Stay committed to your goals and know that the government stands firmly with you on this journey. Kublai, Mathela and Jai Hind.
MeghalayaPost.news.